Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kaye. Today I'm going to talk to you about problem solving. So when we solve story problems, we use a couple strategies. We can use counters, we can use pictures, and we can write number sentences to help us solve them. So today my word problem that we're going to work on says Emma has 11 gumballs. Tyler has 15 gumballs. Max has 2 more gumballs than Emma and 2 less gumballs than Tyler. How many gumballs does Max have? So boys and girls, when I think of that, I know a couple things. I know how many Emma has, I know how many Tyler has, and I know a few clues about how many Max has. So I have to use those clues to help me figure out how many Max actually has. So the first thing I can do is use counters. So let's start with what we know about Emma. We know Emma has 11. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and one more would make 11. So those could be Emma's gumballs. And I know from that Max has 2 more gumballs than Emma. So if this is what Emma has and Max has 2 more, then if I just put 2 more in there, then that would be what Max has. So that would be like saying 11 gumballs that Emma has plus 2 more equals 2 more than 11, 13. So from that, I can say Max has 13 gumballs. So that's one way I could do it. The other way I could do it is I could use the clue from Tyler. It says Tyler has 15 gumballs. So right now there's 13, 14, 15. Okay, now there's 15 gumballs there. That's how many Tyler has. My clue says that Max has 2 less than Tyler. And less means I would have to take some away. So 2 less, so I take 2 of them away. And that leaves me again with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and one more makes 13. So same thing I came to when I did Emma's clue. So Max has 15 gumballs that Tyler has, and he has 2 less. So I take 2 of them away, and again, leaves me with 13. So that tells me that Max has 13 gumballs. If I didn't have counters or the question said to solve it with a picture, I could draw my counters. I could draw the gumballs just as little circles. And again, I could start with one of them. So I'm going to do Emma. So 9, 10, 11. And I know that Max is 2 more, so I could add 2 extras. And again, that would show me that 11 plus 2 more makes 13, okay? And then the last thing you could do as a strategy would be a number line. So if I make a number line, and I know I have to have at least, let's go from 8 on, because I have to have some numbers to do less than 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so let's start it like this. And I'm gonna start with Emma. So Emma's right here, she has 11. So I'm gonna put an E for Emma. And I'm gonna put, Max has 2 more, so I'm gonna count on 2 more. 1, 2, that means Max has 13. I can also check it with Tyler's clue. Tyler has 15, so Tyler's right here. And my clue said that Max has 2 less than Tyler, so I go back to 1, 2, and I still land on 13. So both my clues tell me that Max has 13 gumballs. So I want you to use some of those strategies when you go to solve the question that's included in this week's work. Take care.